All right. Looks like I got corners for the get, so the racer's going to be Vinny in 1, John 2, Steve 3, and Ryan in 4. So we're going to have Vinny, after that long run, go on the cone in less than 5. John, Steve, and Ryan. Ryan with the all metal disc. It's all about durability. Caution right for the last tabletop. Well, slap really out of that one. As John is literally walking away from the group. Bye, John. I also know if there's a car crash. All right, we got 4 minutes remaining. Right now, John's on a 17.505. Ryan's on a 15.508. Vinny 14.5 flat, and Steve's on a 14.501. Right now, this includes John up 2 spots to 4th overall, and Ryan up 1 spot to 7th overall. Right, John, Vinny, Stevie, Ryan. Two cars looked upside down. Stevie trying to slow down the leader. But ooh, if I just tap him and roll him over, somebody else might have a chance. Like Vinny. All right, 2:10 remaining. John has set fast lap of 17.167. And still, if he keeps it up, he'll move up 2 spots to 4th overall. And now all the trucks are together. I think Vinny and John are now racing it out. Vinny did start ahead of John, though. He needs to get by his dad in order to catch up. But... Go, Vinny. Give her. The Brian's coming for you right now. 1 lap down, but still coming for you. Ooh. Ryan's like, I'm not going to let no X-ray get by me. All right, 55 seconds remaining. Not much has changed, no more fast laps. John looks like he slowed down a little bit. Now he's up 1 spot to 5th overall. Next is the next seat at Stadium Shot. They're not on corner marks, you can be getting your cars going. And now final 20 seconds. Good John sped up again. He's now at 2 spots to 4th overall. And Ryan's still up 1 spot to 7th overall. Alright, final couple seconds. Alright, race clock is over. Keep going, I tell you, you are done. And nobody is done. Vinny, you're the first one done. Then Ryan, now Steve, just waiting on John. 1 lap car, 1 lap car. Alright, everybody is done. Again, it was John, followed by Vinny, Ryan, and Steve.